Lavish fam, welcome back to another vlog. It's your girl Nisha here with, what's your name?
I did.
What's your name?
I did.
What is it?
I did.
Tell them your name.
I did.
Tell them your name.
I did.
With Kai. And this vlog is a continuation of us building Kai a big boy's bed, right? At Nina's house. So I will link that vlog down below because we didn't finish decorating for you guys. So in this vlog, we will do so. I will show you also what the room looked like before. And then I will now show you what the room looked like at the end of the last vlog. All right, now let's go ahead and get into this vlog, which is decorating Kai's dinosaur room. All right, stay tuned to the end of the vlog because I want to give you all a little bit more information. See you then.
Your child will never, it will never have the same standards of what it will never receive the same amount of love. That's sad too, because my second child that I'm about to pop out next year.
Why? What's Kai do for you? Other than so I said, what does Kai do for her other than hit her? And ask her.
That's her best friend. But it's okay, Lonnie. I'm gonna have another one. And you're gonna be under the influence of this. You don't get him right.
Her. Pull it down here.
Ow! Why do I always get hurt?
My screens usually look like this?
No.
I want to say, mine don't look like this.
This is the new base that they come already
Free what?
Ah. Hold on, Papa. We putting your bed together. This your bed.
We gotta figure out how to put the box spring together. We'll be back.
Because you're supposed to make a platform bed.
There you go.
Platform bed is supposed to scrub the ground.
Scrub the ground.
I
Scrub.
was thinking of the Croatia version.
Scrub the ground. Scrub the ground.
Yeah.
I don't hear the zipper.
I think this bottom. I think this the bottom. Right?
You gotta put it in there.
Who child? This ghetto.
I'm hot and sweaty already.
Take your shirt. I was about to take my shirt off earlier and I might have no bra on. I would.
Oh, Miss, this the top. This the top.
This the top?
It's the top.
I thought that. No.
You sure?
No, that black part's always on the bottom.
Oh, then why does the zipper is right here? I mean, not the zipper, the tag.
Yeah, this is the top. This right here. The black part is usually always on the bottom.
So we should have put this down first.
Why does it matter which way it goes? It really don't, even though I'm pretty sure this is the top.
Oh, okay, well,
I think this is this the top of it?
I don't think that matters.
I don't think it'll go either. It look the same on both sides. Just put it in here. You overdoing it. Just put it
No,
in.
I think this is the bottom.
How? What do you think?
Because these got the springs on the top.
What's the bottom? What are you talking about?
I think this is the bottom of the air mattress. I mean, the thing.
Yeah, so slide this under.
It seems like it.
It don't though.
You got a lot to say for someone that ain't doing nothing.
I am. I'm holding this.
Oh, okay.
And I'm delegating to y'all slow selves.
You know what, Ariel?
Y'all need some liquid courage. That's what you need. Wait, Amani gotta fix her side.
Amani, pull it, honey. Pull it. I know you don't make up beds, but
I don't.
pull it again. There you go. There you go, boo. Pull it.
Okay.
That's enough.
Now go ahead and zip it up. Mama, the zipper gonna help it get there. It's okay. Get on your side.
Get up there, Ariel.
Here, let me help you. There you go.
All right. All right, let's do the mattress.
Material girl. Material girl. Material girl. I want Chanel 9 boot. Make sure you take that out. It's copyright.
I'm struggling. Ain't nobody gonna help me?
Oh yeah, I am.
Did nobody help with them the sharks?
You weren't even down there with a shark, so what are you talking about? Come on, we just gonna flip it up.
Oh. Look, wait a second. Top.
Oh, I do? Oh, that's smart. Yeah, we didn't see it at first.
Or you didn't know the colors. Black is always on the bottom.
Oh, thanks. Get off of it! The hell? You can't take me nowhere.
I was log rolling.
Get off of it!
You need to stop.
Okay, so this is
What? You get your time? You want me to kiss it? You need to kiss it now.
you had to kiss it so
It's not. Give me a
Okay, this is gonna take a minute because we're a little slow, so we'll be back.
I'm so like, damn.
Okay. Help us out. Uh-oh, move back, Kai. Okay, this bed is way higher than I anticipated. This is a freaking grown-up bed. Sorry, Kai.
He called out the bed.
Has he ever done it before?
Yes, you do it all the time.
We'll put a barrier like your baby.
I think if you would have put it on the floor,
We gotta dilemma. The bed is way
You got
higher.
and cut him down.
Then
Yeah, she
we
have cut
don't.
these down. It's way too big.
Get in there, Earth.
We gotta figure it out.
Needles.
Not right now.
I want that.
Wait, you put this on?
Okay, I need you to get out so I can put it on there, okay?
Why don't you open that? Oh, you already did. You're so aggressive.
The fact that you can't put sheets on correctly.
I can put my water in correctly.
All right, y'all, it's time for the final reveal. My best friend's room is complete. Okay, so as you see, the room is pretty much kind of complete, but probably like towards the beginning of the vlog, I said we got a dilemma. The bed is too tall.
Look at me. Look, that's
It
me.
is. Kai's a little guy. So the plan was for the room to bed to be not that big, but I kind of, yes,
Look, that's me.
that's you.
Yeah, I like Marshall.
You like Marshall?
I love Paw Patrol.
You love Paw Patrol? Okay. All right. So as you guys saw, the bed was pretty tall. It was the size of a normal size bed, but we wanted something more low profile because I wanted him to be able to get into bed by himself, which he can, but when he's sleeping alone, eventually, I do not want him to fall out the bed. So I kind of let Amani, who's 5'10", tell me that the bed was gonna be too short when I was building it. Long story short, over the next week or so, I am going to cut down the legs of the bed so that my little guy here can get in and out of bed and not fall out of bed when he's sleeping. I will show you guys what that looks like in a future video because I will change it over the next week or so. So until then, or until the next vlog, which will be Wednesday, right? We'll see you guys later. You say bye?
Bye.
Bye.